Hi, it's Mrs. Woodruff. Just because it's cold and rainy doesn't mean you can't get outside. It's really nice to get outside and get some fresh air. So I'll show you what you can do when you're outside. Okay, so if it's raining, you can play out in the woodshed. I can count all the wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, I'm doing math. Look for wildlife. Woohoo! Jump in puddles! You can always try fishing. It's even better when you know how. Oh, look, I caught something big. Wow, look at this. Oh, rats, I didn't think I was ever going to see this again. So even if you don't do any of these crazy things like I've done outside, just come outside, take a deep breath, and get some fresh air. You'll really enjoy it and you'll be happy that you did. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.